Hello everybody, Chef Stasis again here. Now the season of strawberry is starting and soon people start to bake pies with it, make a beautiful jam with strawberry. But I know 3 nice interesting recipes where the strawberries will be a part of the savory dish. You want to know which ones? Come with me, I'll show you. Let's go! For the salad, take 3 medium-sized beetroots, wash it thoroughly and peel. Cut into wedges. Put into a bowl. Drizzle with olive oil. Add a sprig of thyme. Season with salt and pepper. Bake and preheat it to 180 degrees Celsius or 350 degrees Fahrenheit oven for about 30 minutes until beets are soft. Meanwhile, wash and cut into wedges tomatoes, cherry tomatoes. After that, strawberries, cut in quarters. Combine ingredients, add arugula or any other green salad leaves to your taste. For the dressing, mix in a bowl 2 tablespoons chokeberry vinegar, 1 tablespoon sweet chili sauce or honey, 2 pinches of salt. Whisk it until salt is dissolved. Then add 6 tablespoons olive oil, and keep whisking until mixture becomes an emulsion. When beets are ready, add it to the salad with the dressing. Toss well. Serve the salad in deep plates sprinkled with pumpkin seeds. Take out the meat half an hour before cooking time to let it reach room temperature. Meanwhile, mix 1 tablespoon of coriander with 2 teaspoons of salt and teaspoon of cracked pepper. Drizzle meat with olive oil and rub with spice mixture. Also, cut strawberries in halves and sprinkle 1 tablespoon of sugar on it. Mix well. Sear the meat until brown on hot oiled pan. Be careful, don't burn the spices. Arrange strawberries around the meat in the pan and bake and preheat it to 190 degrees Celsius or 400 degrees Fahrenheit oven until internal temperature reaches 50 degrees Celsius or 125 degrees Fahrenheit. If you don't have a thermometer, roast the meat any convenient way. At this stage, meat would be slightly pink inside. Let's prepare the garnish. 600 grams or 1.5 pound young potatoes, cook in simmering salted water until ready. For the sauce, we need to mince 1 shallot onion. Can be substituted with red onion. When pork reaches 50 degrees Celsius or 125 degrees Fahrenheit, reduce oven to 90 degrees Celsius or 200 degrees Fahrenheit until meat internal temperature reaches 60 degrees Celsius or 140 degrees Fahrenheit. After that, rest the meat covered with foil, shiny side down. In this time, we will finish the sauce. Bring the pan with roasted strawberries and meat juices to simmer. Paste berries with a spoon. Add minced onion. Mix well. After 2 minutes, pour in the red wine. Any sort with red berries aroma will do. Bring to simmer. Add a sprig of thyme. When sauce becomes thick, strain it. And whisk in cold cubes of butter. Season with salt, sugar and pepper to your taste. Slice meat into portions. We are ready for plating. Arrange potatoes, sauce, roasted pork, decorate with parsley leaves and strawberries. Baked avocados are a perfect hot starter, especially with strawberry salsa. We need 2 avocados, cut in half, stones removed. For this recipe even hard avocados will do, though soft and ripe are still better. Drizzle with olive oil or other vegetable oil, season with salt and bake it at 200 degrees Celsius or 400 degrees Fahrenheit for 6 to 7 minutes. Meanwhile, let's make salsa. Slice strawberries, thinly sliced green onion, chiffonade basil leaves, crumbled blue cheese, you can put goat cheese if preferred, for the dressing mix 1 tablespoon balsamic vinegar, 3 tablespoons of olive oil or vegetable oil, whisk and add to the salsa. When avocados are baked, put the salsa on top and return to the oven for 1 more minute. So these are 3 dishes we made today. I like to experiment, I hope you also like it. The taste is just there, it's amazing, it looks beautiful, so there is no reason for you not to try it. Give me a like if you like the video, subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you guys the next time. Have a good one.